it was clear to everyone that Nigerians will have to live together as the same people. And so the civil war ended with General Yakubu Gowon, who became head of state, saying that no victor, no vanquish, that nobody will ever question the territorial integrity of Nigeria. And we were prepared to live together as one indivisible set of people. So since then, and a lot of things happened after this. But during the Civil War, one good thing was that oil was discovered in commercial quantity, and Nigeria became an oil-producing country. Right now, we're the fourth largest supplier of crude oil to the United States. So we became, and then there was agitation for a change of the constitution. Quite a number of people believe that the Westminster model was not quite suitable. And that was why we had a military coup, we had constitutional problems and all that. And then we decided to adopt the American-type Republican Constitution. And so that's what we are currently practicing right now. And so we have a Republican-type Constitution with a presidential system, governors in states, president in the center, and that's what we've been. I mean, that's not been without. I mean, that's what some political scientists, some of us say that it's not the system of government that matters; it's the way it is administered. In spite of the change from the Westminster model to the Republican system, from British system to the American system, we still had military coup d'etats. We have had so many military coup d'etats, many military takeover of government. Like we had, there was one in 75, there was one in 79, there was one in 83. But right now, people are tired of military rule. Since the collapse of the Berlin Wall and the end of communism and the wave of democracy all over the world, people are now beginning to question the rationale for military rule. So we've got to a system whereby democracy as a system of government has become established in the country. And we may have our problems, but we will not allow any set of soldiers to come and take over and take over anymore. And so democracy has come to stay. We are trying to perfect the American system to adopt it to our own peculiar situation and make good of it. And so we now have a Republican-type constitution in Nigeria, and with bicameral legislature, the Senate, at the federal level, the Senate and the House of Representatives, Congress just as here, and we have a presidential system of government, a president and a vice president, and the governors in 36 states with the federal capital territory. So we have a system similar to that of yours. But there are still problems, there are still challenges in the way it is administered. So that's where we are right now.
And of course, I think we're getting ready for our first commercial break. And when we come back, Doctor, let's see if we can have you to talk about your mission to the United States of America, because serving 150 million people, you see, in the largest